Today, MonsterBass box unboxing. Let's see what we got. First, we got the card with all the different brands: Savage Gear, MonsterBass, Lunker Hunt, Bomber Lures, Big Bite Baits, Yum, Doomsday Tackled, and Mustad. Alright, got some little $10 off, MonsterBass sticker, O'Meal sticker. Let's dive in. So first off, we got Savage Gear 5-inch bluegill swim bait. It's a soft swim bait. Man, this thing looks awesome. Check it out. That thing looks sick. That's badass. That's cool. Then we got MonsterBass. It's made by MonsterBass, the Ragnar Topwater, and it's got the cracked out eyes. I don't know if that's in focus or not, but man, that thing looks wicked. It's got 3 treble hooks, the one red. It's got the feathers on the back of the rear one, the feathers on the back of the rear one, the feathers on the back of the rear one. That's awesome. This is gonna be a good one. This is a good top water right there. Let's see, we got Big Bite Baits. These are the Rojas Fighting Frog in the green pumpkin color. These are cool, man. They got these things right here. Oh, they're juicy. Oh, they stink. But they have all of these like all these slots in them on the sides too. There's a slot right there on the side too. Go all the way down on both sides, the front and the back. And what that does is it collapses a lot easier. So when a fish hits it, it just kind of collapses real easy. So you don't miss very many fish. That's a good one. It's a good one. And let's see, we got some sharpshooter, watermelon seed, little finesse worms here, good for drop shot, or even like a real finesse Texas rig, or even a shaky head. Put on a real finesse shaky head. That's a good one right there. These are 6-inch. That's nice. They got a little whip on the end of it, or like a little spade, I guess you could say. A little spade on the rear of it. These are good. Stinky. Real salty. Both of those are really salty. Got some 4-aught Mustad hooks. 4-aught Mustad hooks. Those are always good to have. Here we got the Lunker Hunt Yappa Bug. So top water. They have frogs like this too, and I think a couple other things. This one's pretty cool though. I have one of the frogs, and this thing, all you have to do is you just slow roll this thing, and it just walks like crazy, like that. But these things look wicked. It's like a locust or something, or a cicada. It's like a cicada or something. Sick. And then we got jerkbait. We got the Bomber Lures Long A jerkbait in the gold color. That's nice. I love fishing with jerkbaits. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. That's a really cool color. Then, last but not least, we got the Doomsday D-Hop 75. It's a frog, but it's a single hook frog. you put one hook through here. Put one hook through there. And you get, supposedly, I've never used one, but supposedly they're really good, and you don't miss as many either. A lot of times on a frog, you know, you got those two hooks, and you gotta rail it, get both of them hooks in there. They have the Doomsday logo in the eye of this. That's kind of like how the new Guggen baits, the new Guggen crankbaits are. They have the Guggen logo in the eyes. But this thing is sick. I think Alex Rudd does a video on these, and he talks about modifying these or something to make them way better. Oh, it's got a slot in there already. It's hard to push it. I'm trying not to stab myself with it. There we go. So you get it just like that. Weed guard is gone. And when they just crunch it, poof, right through there. It's a little tough, honestly. But I don't know, it's pretty squishy though. I think it'll be alright. We'll have to try this one out for sure. Interesting. Very interesting. Anyways, that's it. The Yapabug, the frog, the jerkbait, the finesse worms, the 4-inch Rojas fighting frogs, the Ragnar topwater, and then the Savage Gear 5-inch bluegill. That's it for the August MonsterBass box, Southern Edition. Which is pretty cool. Honestly, I mean, I've been with them since day one, since they first started doing this, and this is probably my least favorite box that I've gotten. It's got some really cool stuff in it, but man, I mostly fish ponds, so like this, I'm definitely gonna use it, but not sure how much luck I'm gonna get with that. This I can use for sure. I mean, I can use everything. It's just, it's not my favorite box. But maybe I'll do a video trying to go out and catch something on each one of them or something like that. Definitely, let me know if you want to see me make a video on that frog and this and the bluegill. Let me know in the comments down below. Smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see y'all later.